If the system will not turn on when the power button is pressed, examine the connections to the power adapter. If the green light on the power adapter block is not on, check connections to the power adapter and confirm that the power cord is firmly plugged into a working wall outlet. If the green light on the power adapter is on, check the connection between the cord and the electronics system. If the system will still not turn on, please contact technical support at 1-844-692-6367. If you are having trouble hearing the voice prompts, the volume can be increased. Once your system is set up and powered on, click Options on the Start screen. Select Volume and toggle up or down to increase or decrease. If the sensor signal was not adequate, a screen will appear describing the error. If this screen appears, ensure that there are no metal objects, such as jewelry, keys, or belts, near you or the pillow. Make sure you are holding the handheld unit away from your chest and press the OK rectangle on the screen to start the process of taking another reading. If this issue continues, consider larger items in the immediate vicinity of the unit, such as electric heating blankets, metal headboard or rails, or other medical equipment such as a CPAP machine, hearing aid charger, or oxygen supply. If the cellular signal is low, move the system closer to an outside wall to get the best signal. Remember, the system will store your reading if you need to unplug it and reboot in order to get it closer to an outside wall or window. If the system was unable to send the reading on the first try, it will attempt to send the reading again. If the system redials multiple times, check to ensure no phone is off the hook, the telephone line is operational, and telephone cable connections are secure. If the system is having trouble getting a good signal from the sensor, the signal strength bar may go between green, white, and yellow. If this happens, continue to reposition yourself with small movements until the signal strength bar rises and turns green. If the signal strength bar is blue, this indicates your system is picking up interference from something other than your sensor. Ensure the area around your system is free of metal objects. If you experience other technical difficulties with this equipment, please contact technical support at 1-844-692-6367. If you have any questions related to your health, please contact your doctor's office.